In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wix website files 2025 step by step. If you need to save images, documents, videos, or other uploaded content from your Wix site to your computer, this process is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your Wix account without confusion. To begin, log into your Wix account. Once you're signed in, go to the website you want to manage. If you have more than one site in your account, make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. After that, open the site's dashboard. This is where you'll manage the content and settings related to that specific website. From the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click Media. This is the section where Wix stores the files connected to your site. Depending on what version of the interface you're seeing, you may need to choose Site Files or Media Manager next. Either option will take you to the area where your uploaded content is organized. Once you're inside, take a moment to browse through your files. You should be able to see uploaded images, videos, documents, and other media connected to the site. If you have a lot of content in your account, it may help to scan the file names carefully so you download the right item. This is especially useful if several files look similar or were uploaded around the same time. When you find the file you want, select it. After selecting the file, click the More Actions menu, which is usually shown as 3 dots. This opens a small menu with additional options for that file. From there, choose Download. As soon as you click Download, Wix will begin preparing the file, and your browser should prompt you to save it, or it may download automatically depending on your browser settings. Save the file to your computer in a location you can easily find later, such as your Downloads folder or a project folder for that website. That's all there is to it. The key steps are opening your Wix dashboard, going to the Media section, finding your file in Site Files or the Media Manager, and then using the 3-dot menu to download it. If you're downloading multiple files, just repeat the same process for each one. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be able to retrieve your Wix website files quickly and easily.